Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can customize FaceTime suggestions for search, widgets, and notifications on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down. And in here, tap on FaceTime. Next, we tap on Siri in search. Then go down to the suggestions section. In here, you can choose to show or hide FaceTime suggestions on the home screen, or in app, or in the notifications. So tap on the toggle button in here to customize how you want FaceTime to appear in your home screen suggestions or in the app suggestions. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.